Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about the elements of multimedia, an important topic from Tribhuvan University TU BSc CSIT first semester 2081 question paper. Simply, multimedia means using different types of media together, like text, audio, video, graphics, and animation, to make communication more powerful, interactive, and interesting. Let's understand each element one by one. Number 1. Text is the simplest and most basic form of multimedia. It is used to display information, describe content, and explain ideas clearly. Example: titles, paragraphs, or labels in a presentation or website. Number 2. Audio includes sound, background music, and voice. It helps to make content more interesting and engaging. Example: music in a video, sound effects in games, or voiceover in tutorials. Number 3. Video combines moving pictures and sound together. It is one of the most powerful multimedia elements for demonstrations or tutorials. Example: educational videos, documentaries, or ads. Number 4. Graphics include photos, drawings, charts, and diagrams that make content visually appealing. They help in supporting the text and making ideas easy to understand. Example: graphs in reports or illustrations in e-learning apps. Number 5. Animation means moving images or objects. It is used to show processes or experiments that are hard to perform in real life. Example: scientific simulations, cartoon characters, or animated learning videos. Conclusion: So, multimedia combines text, audio, video, graphics, and animation to create interactive and engaging materials like games, presentations, and learning tools. Together, these elements make information more attractive, effective, and easy to understand. That's all for today. Signing up. Subscribe for more upcoming videos.